To set up a Remitly account, start by going to the Remitly website or downloading the Remitly mobile app from the App Store. Once you have the app or website open, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Next, you will be required to provide some additional information, including your address and phone number. This information is used to verify your identity and prevent fraud. You may also be asked to provide identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. After providing the required information, you will need to verify your email address. Remitly will send a verification email to the email address you provided during the sign-up process. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can start using Remitly to send money to friends and family around the world. To do this, simply log into your account and click on the Send Money button. Enter the recipient's name, address, and bank account information, and select the amount you want to send. You can pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, or bank transfer. Remitly offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees, making it a convenient and affordable way to send money internationally. The company also provides a secure and reliable transfer process, with encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. To get the most out of your Remitly account, make sure to take advantage of the company's promotions and discounts. Remitly often offers special deals and discounts for new customers, so be sure to check the website or app for the latest offers. You can also use the Remitly app to track your transfers and receive updates on the status of your transactions. Overall, setting up a Remitly account is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of Remitly's features and promotions, you can send money to friends and family around the world with confidence and convenience.